Hey, and welcome back. My name is Jaron, and today we are going to be checking out what Cubase 14's new AutoFilter effect is all about as we put the final sprinkles on this groove. This groove just needs an element to vibe over top of it. I'm going to use my guitar to weave through the chords and texture we've built over the course of these videos. Then, we're going to add AutoFilter and have fun with the instant ambient funkiness that it creates. All right, now let's throw AutoFilter on it and just see what it does. Here's the default setting. Let's see. It's a little dark. Let's increase the range. More range. There we go. Now we're starting to get that wah. Let's go 100% with the mix. There we go. Let's see if we can get a little bit more wah with bandpass mode. There we go. We're getting that wah now. Here we go. Okay, we'll get tasty with it here, more minimal. I like this. This reminds me of a real classic vintage wah, where it really is sensitive to how hard you play or how loud you play. It'll react differently. And now we're going to put studio delay on this track. Let's see what it does. Let's put dotted quarter. That's nice. We'll turn the mix down a little bit and the feedback up. Nice. This is a great AutoFilter effect. I really like this. Reminds me of a classic wah. In our final chapter, we're going to wrap everything up by using Cubase 14's new modulators to create a sidechain effect. And we'll also use the new underwater device to create a filtered intro effect. See you there.